Hi, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, I'm going to show you this how to stop your chain from turning hack. And if you're working on a long chain for a pattern, then I'm going to show you this great tip that is really useful and helpful, and it will keep your chain straight. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so when creating chains, sometimes if you're like me, your chains aren't always straight. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy tip on how to keep it straight. So you're going along and you're creating chains, and sometimes you may have hundreds of chains at a time, and it may create some loose ones and it may curve on you and not remain in a straight line. So you're going to pull out of your loop, go to the back of that chain and insert your hook and grab that loop. Then you're going to start creating your chains just on that first loop, and once you're doing that, you have the hold because of the hook in that first chain. That is the tip. It's real simple and easy, and that will allow you to keep a straight line for your chains, just like that. Because I know when I was a beginner, I really had a hard time with keeping my chain straight. Okay, well, I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.